So today we are going to upgrade Cockpit for Docker. This is the application that I use to manage my Docker containers. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is basically what it looks like. This is the older version. This is version 164. If we go to their website, their latest version is 198. So we're gonna go grab that. I run my Home Assistant under Ubuntu. And what I did was, normally I would just do a apt-get upgrade Cockpit. And you can see that the newest version that it sees is 164, which is the version that I'm running. So I went to the repo of Cockpit and it looks like there was an issue in 2018. So we have to install these backports in order for it to get the latest update. Let's go here. Let's run this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to run the upgrade. I'm going to refresh this. The application is now up to date. You can see it has applications, software updates, and terminal on the bottom left side. Go to software updates, system is up to date. So this is now a new way to upgrade Cockpit. I can just go into software updates and let the application update itself. I see all the containers and I have everything I need. You can now see that we're running 196. Thanks for watching this. Hope this was useful. Bye.